With over 100 features, the Notion Enhancer is one of the most powerful Notion add-ons that you can get to customize your Notion desktop app. And in this video series, I'm going to be walking you through every single one of these options so that you can decide which one is best suited for your needs. And trust me when I say this, but you'll be kicking yourself for not using the Notion Enhancer earlier because there are some absolute gems in here. And we're starting right now. So the next section of the Notion Enhancer allows you to be able to choose from a huge range of custom fonts. So all you have to do is turn on the toggle. So let me show you how you can actually go ahead and use this particular feature. So let's say you wanted to be able to use sans serif font. So let's say we're going to be using the Times New Roman font. So you need to make sure that the same font is actually saved on your PC. So I know that the Times New Roman font is actually on my PC. So now I'm going to go ahead and relaunch the app. And there you go. You can see that the page title has now turned into a Times Roman theme. And the same goes with database name. You can see the various bits of text within the pages itself also actually changed into that particular font. Even the properties section on the right hand corner and also the menu bar, everything has now turned into a Times New Roman theme. So let's say this time around, instead of selecting the Times New Roman font, you want to select a completely different font. So the best way that I find that you can do that is by simply opening up your Microsoft Word and then going into your font drop down. So this will give you a list of all of the installed fonts on your PC. And generally, if the font is within this selection, that means you can simply take the name from here and you can put it into your Notion Enhancer. So let's just go ahead and randomly select one from here and see what that looks like. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and choose this one, which is Broadway. So let's just go ahead and copy and paste this into my Notion Enhancer. And now I'm gonna go ahead and relaunch the app. And there you go, it's as easy as that. So as you can see, pretty much most of the text, headings, anything that's got text on it has pretty much changed. So again, this is an extremely powerful feature within the Notion desktop app. Of course, you don't have to be restricted to the fonts that are pre-installed. You can actually download custom fonts that are free from the internet onto your PC and then install them on your PC, and then they should appear within this list. So let me just quickly show you how you can download custom fonts and import those into your Notion setup. So I'll simply go onto a web browser and I'll type in free custom fonts and then just kind of go through these websites and see ones that are free. Why don't we just go ahead and click on this one, and then you can kind of go through them and select which one you actually like. Why don't we go ahead and select movies one and select the Jedi one. It'll ask you to download the file, so let's go ahead and do that. Once it's downloaded the file, it should open it up in your PC and unzip the file. Once you've done that, all you need to do is simply go ahead and select one of the fonts and then just go ahead and right click and install the font. So we'll go ahead and click install, and that should have installed the font onto your PC. Now if I go in here and I start typing in star, so as you can see, the Star Jedi has now become available as a font that I can actually select within any of my applications on my PC. So it's not just restricted to Word. So now let's go ahead and just copy this and we'll open up the Enhancer and we'll scroll down to the font section, replace the name with the Star Jedi, and then let's relaunch the app. And there you go. You can see that all of the fonts within your Notion app have been changed into that custom Star Wars type font. So again, you can play around with this as much as you want. You can go ahead and find the perfect font and be able to easily import it into your Notion desktop app and be able to use it as you please. Which one of these features in the Notion Enhancer did you find the most helpful? And if you weren't using the Notion Enhancer previous to watching this video, then let me know if this video helped convince you to actually start using it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more content just like this. And if there's any other videos that you want me to make, then please do let me know in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.